Hello friends, in this video I will show you that how we can add multiple strokes or how we can add multiple outlines to the text in Photoshop. So we will create a new document in Photoshop, something like this. Then from the horizontal type tool we will type the text like this. Press Ctrl plus T, transform control will appear. Then press and hold Alt key and resize the text if you want in CC 2019. Now right click on the layer and select blending options. In blending options we have strokes, so double click here so you can see, like from here we can change the outline size. Like I will apply 15 and the color is red, you can see, and the position is outside, so click OK. Now if you try to reapply, like click on again blending options, and you can see stroke is already there. So what we can do, only we can change the color like this, we can't add another. So for that, like right now this is green, so if we want to add one more, select the layer, go to layer option, and here click on rasterize and layer style. Now right click again, now you can see it has been rasterized. So again blending options and click on stroke, and now select another color, so you can see now we have two outlines there. Click OK. If you want to increase the size of this outline red, so you can increase, and then click OK. Even if you want like another color, you can apply. So simple method, only you will have to apply first stroke, then apply first after that rasterize the layer style, rasterize the layer style, then reapply blending option stroke. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.